Perform the complete connection calculation. From the Navigator's 3D view, you can view the FEM model, consult the 3D graphical results, such as displacements, to check deformations. Select the specific load combination. Modify the zoom to amplify the structural deformation analysis. Use the monitor view to visualize displacement ranges via intuitive color-mapped representations. View the plate stresses. Choose the combination and indicate the stress to display in the face. Set the scale type and define a range of stresses to be displayed. Leverage cursor-based stress reading capabilities for accurate measurements. View the stresses in the welds. Choose the load combination and the type of representation. View the distribution of stresses along the weld bead. For each displayed result, you can take a snapshot of the image and generate a screenshot. View the stresses in the bolts. Choose the load combination and the type of representation. Select the type of stress. Check the stress level for each bolt. View the test results. Using the Check Tests button, highlight the untested elements in yellow. View the safety factors on the color scale and for each individual element.